stripping away the sharp thorns from the logs in primitive survival. Preparing your materials properly is the difference between a shelter that holds and one that hurts. Harvesting the wild mustard plants from the base, I am keeping the thick green stalks and the vibrant yellow flowers completely intact. This is going to give my shelter an incredible natural insulation and an amazing aroma. Building a traditional mud stove from scratch, using the fresh river clay and molding it by hand. This natural hearth will hold my heat perfectly and become the heart of my riverside camp. Preparing yesterday's fresh carp fish, scaling and cleaning them thoroughly with the cold river water. Out here, fresh food requires hard work, but nothing beats a meal you cut with your own hands. the reward for all the hard work. This thick, rich fish curry is incredible. The carp absorbed all the spices, and that heavy squeeze of fresh lemons brings a sharp, tangy kick to the rich gravy. Absolutely delicious.